Dad to pull my tooth out, but I'm very, very scared. This is how wiggly it is. My dad's in his office working, so he's gonna help me. What? I didn't know you were gonna pull myself out with that.
But you said I must take out your tooth.
Yo, I don't want that. Oh my goodness. How about you just pull it out with your fingers?
We're going to use this hammer.
You're gonna...
This isn't going to work, is it? How about this?
No.
Right.
No.
These are my fishing pliers.
No.
Oh, look, there's Kitty.
Hello.
So what about this? These would actually work well.
Yeah, they would. Those are the same.
This is the one we've used in the past.
No, I'm not using that again.
Okay, so must I just use my fingers?
Yes.
Okay. You're ready.
How about you hold the camera and then you'll also pull my tooth out.
Wiggle it with your finger.
I'm scared.
You ready?
No, what? Pliers again.
Come on. But you got to sit up so I can pull.
Don't make it look more scary. Do it, do it.
Must have do it.
Do it.
Okay, ready? Come here.
I got it out. I hate the taste of blood. So thanks for watching. This is my tooth. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below.